but no trouble to actually top you whatsoever. G0CNN, G0GLG.
G0GLG, G0CNN, yeah, all copied, Hamish. Yeah, you're peaking about 5.7 with me, and like you say, dropping down and then coming back up. Yes, I'm still going with it. We last worked on 2 in February, and you have to go back to last July for 70. But yeah, still sticking with it. I missed a few at the start of the year. There was gales, wind, snow, so I'm down some months already. So I've got to have a better end of year, Hamish, to get the full 8 for my average. So, but for the ones I have done, I'm doing well. I'm enjoying it, and I'm just trying to beat my scores from last year. I think I came something like 3rd on 6, 12 on 70. There might have been 10 on 2, something like that. So just trying to compete with myself, Hamish, and see how I get on. But yes, it'd be good to hear you on again if you're ever on the high band. G0GLG, G0CNN.
G0CNN, G0GLG. Yeah, I have a lot to do, and I haven't had time for VHF, UHF. I've been doing a lot of reconfiguring and getting things done. I got myself another radio for HF, which is the one I'm using now, which is the FTDX3000. Lovely radio. It works really well, and I'm quite pleased with it. I bought it second-hand, of course, but it seems to do the job that I wanted to do. I've still got the FT991S, which I use for the 2-meter and 77s. But as I say, we've been doing things with the rotator and the antenna, and so we haven't been on VHF, UHF very much whatsoever this year. We must get back into it. Hopefully we'll get more time coming this winter. Get things sorted out during the summer and get back on during the winter and do some more contesting. But nice to talk to you again, Ian. I won't hold it as those other stations calling you. Nice to talk to you again, and we look forward to the next time on VHF or UHF. G0CNN, G0GLG.
G0CNN, yeah, Roger, Hamish, yes. Well, it's only the weather that puts me off, and where I go in Wensleydale, it's very exposed, so if there's bad weather, then I'm stumped, so it's just how it is. You just before you go, you just faded slightly. Did you say you got a 3000, was it? An FTDX3000, Roger?
Roger.
Oh, yeah, nice rig. Oh, well, good luck at that, Hamish, and like you say, look forward to, if you do get on the higher bands, exchanging a few points, that'd be good. And it's nice to contact people you know and have a good chat afterwards, because as you know, the contest in this wham bam, thank you ma'am, and that's it. So it's nice to have a chat with people afterwards. But thanks for calling in, Hamish. There was another station calling just a little bit below you, so I'll see if they're still there, and hopefully QSB hasn't swept them away. But 73, Hamish, enjoy the rest of the weekend. It's wet and horrible up here. You might be a bit better where you are. 73, Hamish, G0GLG, G0CNN.
G0CNN, G0GLG. Yeah, the propagation's changing here, and yeah, you drop down to about a 3x3 towards the end, and then come slightly back up again. So propagation's not the move. Wish you all the best. 7 trees. Enjoy your Sunday. Good luck.